Have you ever just stopped feeling like technically you are alive, you are breathing, eating, or maybe even posting online, but inside there is a silence? No tears, no joy, no happiness, nothing. Just this weird, heavy emptiness that you can't explain. If you're feeling like that right now, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Himanshi, and today I want to talk to people who feel nothing. Not because you are heartless, not because you don't care, but because you have cared so much for so long that your system went quiet. Maybe you have caught yourself scrolling for hours and not absorbing anything. Because emotional numbness isn't loud. Sometimes it looks like procrastination, and sometimes it looks like not replying to a text for days. And sometimes it's binge watching a show, not even remembering what the last two episodes even looked like. And people might say, just snap out of it. But how do you snap out of a fog when you don't even remember walking into it? You're not dramatic, you're not lazy, and definitely you're not alone. Because I know what it feels like to wake up and feel like you're watching your life happening from the outside. Like everything is on autopilot. Everyone is talking, laughing, and crying, and you're just there. It's not like you can't care or you don't care, but because your brain can't afford to care right now. Because somewhere along the way, you were overloaded with too many feelings too fast. So your mind did what minds are designed to do. It protected you. It numbed the system so you could survive. There was a time when I wake up and everything went quiet. The world hadn't gone dark. It had just gone gray. I'd open my phone and the texts were left unread. Music didn't feel like anything. And people were all around me, but I couldn't connect. I wasn't crying all day. I wasn't screaming into my pillow. I wasn't anything at all, actually. And for a while, I told myself that, this feeling is fine because numb doesn't look dramatic. It doesn't look like pain, but it is pain, just the quiet one. So, why does this even happen? It often starts with overwhelm, mental, emotional, physical. Too much trauma, too much change, too many emotions without the time to process them. It shows up after burnout, heartbreak, and loss, grief, depression, anxiety, or chronic stress. And your nervous system goes into survival mode just to protect you and just to keep you functioning. It's, you can say it's like an emotional frostbite. The feelings are still there, but they are just frozen. And sometimes numbness becomes the only way you know how to exist. It's quiet, it's safe, and it doesn't hurt. But when numbness sticks for too long, it stops feeling like safety and starts feeling like you have disappeared. But listen, it isn't permanent. Your brain shut your feelings so that it can protect you. You can say that it's like an emotional shutdown button when the system is overheating, right? It's not a final state. It's just your body whispering that I have gone through enough and too much. Please go slow with me. And that's what we do. We go slow, we unfreeze, and we come back home to ourselves. And you know what's the worst part is? People will say, cheer up, focus on the positive, without even realizing that you would give anything just to feel something. Even pain would be better than this emptiness. And you know what? Numbness is just a part of human experience, not the end of it. So now we have talked enough about what emotional numbness is and why does it even happen. Now we will talk about how do we even begin to come back to ourselves, to our feelings, to home. So first of all, acknowledge the numbness, okay? Without shame. Like say it out loud. I feel numb and that's okay because naming it takes the power away from the guilt that follows it. And next, create micro moments of sensation. hold a warm cup of tea, splash cold water on your face, because these are tiny signals to your brain that you're safe to come back now. And use music like medicine. Put on your earphones and start playing a song you love. And next, talk to someone. Someone that can make you feel safe and heard. Or you can even record a voice note to yourself. And you know what? You can let yourself not feel for a while too. Walk slowly, stretch, write one sentence a day, anything and everything. Do everything that can make you feel something that you love or used to love. Do everything. And slowly you will start feeling something. Even a tiniest bit of happiness is what we are looking for. So now that we have talked about everything that's needed, I want to read something that I have written for you guys. So bear it with me. Sometimes the hardest part isn't the pain, it's the absence of it. When everything inside you feels quiet, not in a peaceful way, but in a way that makes you wonder if you are even still in there. If you're watching this and you're feeling that way, I just want to wrap your heart in the gentlest words I can find. You're not alone in this silence. And more importantly, this silence is not permanent. You haven't lost the ability to feel. Your body has just paused. It's protecting you in the only way it knows how. And that's kind of strength too. I know it's scary to not recognize yourself, to wake up and not feel the joy you used to not cry even when you want to look at the things you once loved and feel nothing. But please believe me when I say this version of you is still worthy of love, even when you feel distant, even when you don't respond, even when your smile is forced or missing. This version of you is still you, and it is still lovable. You don't need to be better to deserve softness. So, if no one has told you this lately, let me say this now. You are doing okay. Even if you don't feel it, even if you haven't gotten out of the bed, even if you are just surviving hour by hour. You don't have to fix everything today. You don't have to feel everything at once. Healing doesn't happen like lightning. It unfolds slowly, like dawn. And one day, without even realizing it, you will hear a song and feel something stir. You will catch yourself laughing or crying, or maybe even both. And in that moment, you will know you are coming back. Until then, let yourself rest in the gray. Let yourself exist exactly as you are, not forcing, not pretending. Let your heart be quiet if that's what it needs. And just know you're not stuck in this forever. The feelings will return, the color will return, you will return. And I'll be right here holding this space until you do. If you're still watching, thank you. That tells me that you are trying, even if it doesn't feel like it. Come back to this video whenever the numbness feels too loud. I'll be right here because you're not alone anymore. So if this video spoke to you, drop a comment. Knowing that you are out there means the world.